Originally known as RAF West Hampnet, Goodwood Airfield lies within the Goodwood estate near Chichester and the south coast. It's surrounded by pretty countryside, and it has 3 immaculately maintained, smooth grass runways. Those 3 runways have published overall lengths ranging from 700 metres to over 1200 metres. On this occasion we joined overhead for 06 left hand.
Golf Bravo left base 06 left to land.
Bravo, report on final.
Golf Bravo. Golf Bravo final 06 to land.
Golf Bravo, runway 06, land at your discretion 050 degrees 08.
At my discretion, Golf Bravo. You are coming number 1, report final 06. Coming number 1 and Wilco, Golf Coast Range.
The old clubhouse and restaurant has been rebuilt as the Aviation Innovation Centre. This new building near the 3-2 threshold has a very good restaurant with both indoor and outside seating, and there is a large observation area on the roof for viewing the airfield and the encircling motor racing track. Exceptionally well maintained, with ATC, Jet A1 and avgas, good food, maintenance, Spitfire experiences and aerobatic adventures, Goodwood surely deserves a place in your logbook.